What's up, YouTube? The Car Boys back here with another legendary video, man. Today I'm bringing y'all another video because I got another car to show y'all, man. But before we get into that video, make sure you guys go ahead and hit the subscribe button, turn on your boy post notifications, be notified every time I upload a new video because we are back dropping videos, man. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button. But I also do have some unfortunate news that I know you guys are not gonna like to hear. I got rid of the Chrysler SRT8, man. It's just, I had to do it. It was just the right choice. It was money to be made in it. I got it. I bought it as a clean title, and it was just money to be made. So I got rid of it. It was just no point in me just keeping it no more. I already had a SRT8 charger on the channel before. You guys can go back and watch those old videos. I had an SRT8 charger, and then I wanted to get the Chrysler just to have the Chrysler and do some stuff to the Chrysler. And I did that stuff that I wanted to do to it. It really wasn't nothing I could do to it that I didn't do to my charger. So I was like, really no point in having it, and I can make some money off of it right now, so why not just go ahead and sell it? So I sold the SRT8 Chrysler for a profit, and I went and bought something else, and this car has been literally making me money ever since I bought it. I haven't had to do nothing to it, haven't had to fix anything on it except for one thing, I believe, one or two things I believe I fixed. And yeah, and it wasn't nothing like really anything crazy. Like, I started driving this car as soon as it came out the truck from Copart. Like, no problems, no issues, no nothing. Straight been driving it ever since. And like, that's the complete opposite from the Chrysler. I had to goddamn swap a motor, and after I swapped the motor, I had to do other things. So yeah, but enough of me yapping and going on about the Chrysler. I'm gonna flip this camera around, go ahead and show you guys the new car I just picked up. So let's get to it. Before I turn this camera around and show you guys what I picked up, I know some of you guys are not gonna agree with me on selling the SRT8 Chrysler, but it was only for the better, man. Like, there was nothing else I could do to that car. I felt like I did everything I wanted to do with the Charger. I mean, like, the Chrysler already had a full exhaust on it. It had headers, full exhaust with mufflers. Only thing it didn't have on it was that I wanted was the wrap. The only thing I wanted on the car was a wrap, and, you know, just to do my YouTube shenanigan things with it. Like, there was nothing really else to do with it. And then now, like, the Mopar community is so, like, washed out. Everybody's Mopar and stuff. I don't even want to be Mopar no more. Like, unless it's a Hellcat, I don't want a Mopar. Like, Scat Pack, man, what? Everybody got a Scat Pack. I don't have, basically, a SRT8. A 6.1 SRT8 is a Scat Pack, basically. I don't care what nobody says, it's basically a Scat Pack. You can keep up with them as long as you do the stuff to it that you're supposed to do to it. You can keep up with them all day long, this, that, and the third. So I don't even want a Scat Pack. If I'm going, this thing, I'm going Mopar straight Hellcat, but we're not even going Mopar again right now. We're going straight German muscle. Like, that's what we're gonna do. We're going straight German muscle. There's gonna be no Mopars over right now, unless it's gonna be a Mopar for me to flip. That's another thing that I'm gonna start doing on my channel. I'm gonna start posting more of my flip vehicles on my channel to show you guys behind the scenes of me flipping cars, because I don't show me ever doing the flip side of the car thing. So I'm gonna try to start showing you guys how to flip cars from Copart. If that's something you guys want to see, just let me know in the comments. If you want to know how to flip cars from Copart, just let me know. I started to make videos about that, and I'll drop them here on this channel. Separate channel for it. They will all be dropped on here. So if you want to see content on how to flip cars from Copart, just let me know in the comments down below. But as I was saying, it was just nothing else for me to do to the Chrysler. Like I was saying, if I want something if I'm doing something Mopar, it's gotta be a Hellcat. So as of right now, I'm out of Mopar. My next daily driver will be a German muscle car. Drop a comment down below of what you think my German muscle car is gonna be. I don't think nobody can. I don't think nobody's gonna be able to guess it unless I've already told you about it. But yeah, that's what I'm going for sure. I'm saving my money for it right now. There's no if and buts about it. That's exactly what I'm going for. Like, money saving up for it. That's what we're getting. So drop a comment down below of what you guys think I'm getting as a German muscle car. But enough of me yapping about the old cars. Let's get into what we got now. So further not, let me go ahead and flip this camera around. So what I picked up recently, I picked this up in the last month. I don't have it about a month. This is a 2000 Jeep Grand Cherokee Limited. I picked this up from Copart. I would have wanted it a little bit cheaper, but I won the bid at $1,200, and after fees, it came out to $1,700. So $1,200 to $1,700. That's a lot of damn fees. You feel me? But yeah, I won it for that price. I would have won it for cheaper. I was winning it at first for like $500 to $700. But I'm gonna give you guys a little scoop on Copart. I feel like so when a car gets sent off to auction from insurance, right? I feel like the insurance company use their like personal accounts to bid up a vehicle to what they think it should sell for, so they'll make more money off of it. If you get what I'm saying. So yeah, basically I feel like the insurance company bidded me up on this vehicle so they can make more money off of it, and yeah, and I paid more. So, but hey, I'm not complaining at the end of the day, because I didn't have to do anything to this car. It has full all-terrain tires all the way around. They may be old, but a full set of good tread all-terrain tires, I'll take them any day. All right, and this is the damage on the vehicle on the back. This is the damage. I haven't fixed anything on this vehicle. This is straight how it came from the auction. It was hit in the rear end. Now, like, it doesn't have any crazy rear end damage or nothing like that. Excuse all the junk in my trunk, but no pun intended. But there's no rear end damage to where like the trunk won't close, anything like that. But it somehow pushed it enough to where it knocked these gaps off right here. So it's nothing that I'm really stressing about, because I put 2,000 miles on it. I got the car with 223,000 miles. It now has 228,000 miles. So I have no problem with the gaps being a little off, and this is the worst gap of them all on this side, because it used to be worse than this. The driver door didn't even open, because this door was overlapping the driver door, as you can see up there. So this door wasn't even opening at all. This door is stuck down here, so that wasn't opening either. And on the passenger side, the passenger driver door wasn't open, and the gaps were just off. So I had to I hooked the chain, did it the old-fashioned way, hooked the chain to the hitch, and started pulling it to where it loosened up the frame, at least to where the doors could open, we could drive, and it's driving straight and stuff like that. So this car has no issues whatsoever. I can't think of a single issue this car has, except for the control arms. The control arm bushings are bad, and I already got new control arms on the way for this vehicle, so in the rear. So yeah, we just got to get new control arms, and that's it. Like, I haven't had a single issue with this car, like, other than the Chrysler. When I got that car, I had to replace a motor, and then after I replaced the motor, I had to do other things to that car. So it was just like the Chrysler was just too much of a stress for me right now. I had to just let that go, make my money from it, and then just put my money into other things, because it was just stressing me out at the moment. So now that I got my money into a Jeep that's actually making me money right now, because the money I'm making from this Jeep don't probably pay for the Jeep and everything. So yeah, it definitely have. Yeah, the money I done made recently don't pay for this Jeep and more. So I'm really not complaining. I made money from the Chrysler, making money from the Jeep. So yeah, we're not complaining right now. I'm gonna go ahead and pop the hood so you can see the hood. The interior is pretty clean too. It's just dirty because I haven't cleaned it in about a week or so. So there's the interior. Show you guys the back seat as well. Got a little tomato plant in there. But yeah, I'm gonna pop the hood for you, see what it's working with under here. It's a little 4.7. Clean. It's a 2-owner vehicle. The second owner was a passenger, so this car has been well maintained. Like, there's no issues that I can think of whatsoever. Like, brand new AC compressor. Like, it's just, I can't find a single issue with this car other than the wreck stuff. Like, literally, that's the only thing wrong with the car, is the stuff that happened from the wreck. So yeah. But yeah, man, this is the car I just picked up recently. This is my new daily driver for right now for my business aspect of the things. So yeah, man, let me know what you guys think my next daily German muscle car is gonna be. Let me know what you guys think of the Jeep Grand Cherokee in the comments. And other than that, man, my day out. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.